My dog is wearing a jacket. My dog is wearing a jacket.
You didn't put her legs in it.
I know.
Zip it up.
I know. Can you do that for me?
You know something? I don't think she'll like it.
She likes the jacket. She's not rejecting it. She likes looking cool. And she's a girl. I like how she looks in the jacket. It's very fashionable.
Hold on. Teddy, come here. Sit.
What?
Sit. Sit.
What are you? Oh, this is gonna look awesome.
I think she's too big for it. I think her body's too fat for it, CJ. Yeah, she's too fat for it.
I have another jacket.
I think she's too big for all your jackets, to tell you the truth.
My jacket is way bigger than her, and I'll be bigger than it.
Fat CJ jacket.
She looks cute, doesn't she? I like her.
Let's go, see.
No, she doesn't. She looks great.
You know, cameras out there on the front porch.
Oh yeah?
Don't worry.
Oh yeah? I'm gonna sneak down there. I'm gonna put it on her. Look at episode 2.